In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android charging slow. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying and frustrating if your Android's charging slow, so what we want to do is make sure that fast charging is enabled because it might be turned off. Now, firstly is the hidden toggle. On newer devices, fast charging is occasionally disabled by default after a major system update to preserve long-term battery health. So what you want to do is open up your settings application, then go over and find the battery section right there. Then what you want to do from here is go ahead and find your charging settings, which is going to be like around the middle. Go ahead and click on that. And then if fast charging is turned off, ensure it is turned on. And now if you have a 45 watt or a 60 watt charger, make sure the phone says super fast charging 2.0 when plugged in. If it just says fast charging, that means your cable likely doesn't support the 5A current required for the highest speeds. Now, what you want to also do is disable adaptive charging. Now, what you can do is go over to settings and then go over to battery again, and then look for adaptive preferences if your Android phone has that. It just depends which one you have, and toggle off adaptive charging, and that should help too.